In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to a page on Shopify. This is a great way to share brochures, guides, manuals, or other important documents directly with your customers. So let's get started. First, head over to Google Drive and open the PDF file you want to add to your Shopify page. Once the PDF is open, click on the three dots at the top right corner and choose Open in New Window. After the PDF opens in a new window, click the three dots again and select Embed Item. Google Drive will now generate an embed code for your PDF. Copy this code because you'll need it for Shopify. Now go to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Online Store from the left sidebar. Next, click on Pages. If you want to create a new page, click Add Page. Otherwise, open an existing page where you want the PDF to appear. Enter a title for your page if needed. Now click on the HTML icon in the editor to switch into HTML mode. Paste the embed code you copied from Google Drive into the HTML section. After pasting the code, click the HTML icon again to return to the normal editor view and make sure everything looks correct. Finally, click Save, and that's it. Your PDF is now embedded directly on your Shopify page for visitors to view easily. Thanks for watching and happy selling.